I didn't expect to find this at Ikea in Singapore. I was a little bit worried because when we first came in, it looked like it was a lot of Swedish options only, and I was wrong. It's great. They really do all the work for you. Oh, I'm so excited. And what a treat Ikea Singapore is. We are in Singapore, and today we're on the way to Ikea Singapore. I know when you think about Singapore, you're thinking about hawker centers, Michelin star food, but today I'm really curious to see what kind of food they have at Ikea Singapore. I'm really hoping they're gonna have some regional varieties that are different from just the regular Swedish things that they offer at Ikea. To get there, we're taking the bus, so we're just waiting now for the bus to come. And I wanted to show you something cool. Every bus stop, it seems like, has this pedestrian overpass to get from one side of the street bus stop to the other side. I love Singapore. We just got off the bus and there's just a straight overpass from the bus right over to Ikea. It's actually so convenient. Yeah, it takes you right into, I mean, you can go down and take the bus on the other side, or you can go straight into Ikea. I just feel like Singapore designed the whole city so perfectly. Like they were like, how can we make it the most convenient for pedestrians to never have to cross the street? Bam! I've never been to an Ikea where they decorate for Chinese New Year. Like, look, there's a bucket of oranges and the lanterns. You can't tell me this is part of normal Ikea. From an initial first glance, it looks like a lot of the food is very similar, except for this. I'm definitely gonna try it, the salted egg chicken wings. I gotta say, most of Ikea is very quiet. It's the middle of the week, so that's not that shocking, but the food court is packed. I wonder if Singaporean people just come here to eat because it is so busy, the food area compared to the store. All right. It's definitely smaller than the one in Japan.
They have a snack section, no?
They have chips?
Owl chips?
Has Ikea always made chips? This one is something in chili. Hot sweet chili? Mug root beer. I'm surprised to see that. I don't know what pucko is.
Chocolate.
Nice. Okay, all right, here it is. Fridges, salad, wraps, marinated salmon. I would say normal. Ooh, there's a fortune chocolate orange cake. That's different. I haven't seen that before.
Yep.
New York cheesecake, cinnamon buns. Hi, can I have this and chicken wings?
This one is totally fried.
Okay.
Anything else?
Chicken wings?
Okay, these 3, 4, 6. Nice wings. Anything else?
The salted egg sauce. Otherwise, they just.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I want the salted egg wings. Yeah, thank you. I don't know if there's anything else.
Thank you.
Do you want to try the salted egg curly fries? Hi, can I have curly fries, salted egg? Oh, yeah. It's like a sauce. She just scoops. Mushroom soup? I think it's just regular mushroom soup, but there's siu mai. Fortune bun is a red bean paste filling. Oh, cute! Oh, there's vegetable medallions. Oh, this is a cheese tart. Oh, there's none. They've run out of vegetable medallions. All right, so we ended up getting the salted egg chicken wing, the curly fries with salted egg sauce, and I think this is some sort of lotus rice? Lotus wrap rice? I'm very excited. The sticky rice does have the 8 treasures. Got like the egg, date, I don't know what this is, some sort of bean, mushroom.
Meat.
So far, everything has been delicious. The curly fries are meant to be dipped in the salted egg. Super good. We're saying that there is a flavor to the salted egg, but we can't identify what it is. It reminds us of something else. It's really good. It has like a slight I don't know, spiciness to it. It's really tasty. The rice, I think, is very savory. It's exactly what you think it would be, like a sticky rice with some of the sweet, very savory fillings. Also really like it. I never expected to find like sticky rice, like glutinous rice, or like lotus wrapped rice at IKEA, so I'm the most surprised about that. And then I've also never seen chicken wings at IKEA either, so that's pretty exciting. We've already both eaten one wing each, and they're really good. I think they would be good. You could have them with or without the sauce, so you can have them completely dry if you want, or you can have them kind of like sauced up if you prefer. I think they would be delicious either way. I really like it. It's a very, I don't know, it's kind of crispy on the outside, super savory with the same salted egg sauce, which we just can't identify what else the other flavor is in the salted egg, but it's really good. I think it's a good amount of food too. They're selling oranges. What? How many do you get? Like 12. Little ornamental citrus. I always wanted one of these. So after you come out of the market hall area, you just get put into the small furniture section. So the market hall immediately comes out into the small furniture area where you can get like desk chairs, tiny shelving units, and everything else. There's the as is section. And then just past all of this is the exit. So then you would come over here and pay to check out. I've never been to an IKEA like this where they didn't sell the bigger stuff like desks or I don't even know, like patio tables. I guess if you buy that, like if for example you wanted to buy a couch here at IKEA, you're definitely not buying it and picking it up today. They must have a different system here in Singapore. All right, second part of our tour of IKEA. I'm currently the most excited that they have strawberry ice cream, but they also have a breaded chicken cutlet, truffle cheese croquette, spring rolls, and then hot dogs like you would expect. And then they must have a small little store. Curry puffs? They do.
5 curry puffs for $6.50. That's pretty
Okay.
good.
I was wondering if there was a store. Should we look on the other side before we come through here?
Yeah.
This is definitely regional. Barbecue pork. I've never seen this at an IKEA before. Right? A prune layer cake? No way. This for sure has to be for Chinese New Year. Oh yeah, Lunar New Year festive treats. Red velvet cheese cookies.
Pistachio cashew cookie.
A cranberry pineapple ball? Let's go look around. Let's go look at it. Mandarin oranges like the woman was selling. They are pretty big oranges. Singapore IKEA is really something else. They have so many things that I didn't expect that we would find here. They have chicken and pork floss and Chinese sausage. What? There's things that are sold out too.
I know their audience.
I don't know what it is, but there's 2 items here that are sold out. There's sugary cashew cookies. They even have events for Chinese New Year. So some of them have already happened, like puppet making, but there's upcoming lion dance performances. And I don't even know what this is. Learn how to make a yusheng or blooming luck, which is making your own festive New Year's arrangement with a florist. Yes. Hi, can I have 5 curry puffs, 1 strawberry, 1 soy? So we got 1 of each ice cream, and they give you a token to buy the ice cream. We think this one's for strawberry. Okay, I'm gonna do the soy one first, just so I can use the cone. You put it in, and then I guess I'll just, okay, all right. And then I push. Oh God, oh, phew. They do all the work for you, actually. I love it. Amazing. Oh. Do you want strawberry? What do you want? Yeah, your coin is for this one.
And then the coat. This goes in here.
Coin is different. Okay, so then we have a different coin for the strawberry one. Now I feel like it's a lot easier than I think it is. You put the coin in, you put the cup in, and then you push the button. They really do all the work for you. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh, it smells very strawberry. This one's just soy, so I think it's just gonna be milk, which it is. I love strawberry. This is really good. I feel like the sweets are never too sweet, which is what makes them really, really good.
But they're full flavor.
Mm-hmm. Big fan. It's too bad strawberry doesn't come in a cone. You have to get it in a cup. But it's delicious. And then we've been doing a little bit of dipping. So we put the soy and dipped it into the strawberry. But the soy itself also has a really nice flavor. And all the ice cream here is plant-based. So both this one is soy milk, and then the strawberry one is a plant-based strawberry, which I'm assuming is just also soy milk, but with strawberry. And then we got one more surprise treat. Well, we got one more thing, which is a bag of 5. Wow, they're pretty big. 5 curry puffs. I'm really excited to try this. I'm just curious about what it is. I'll rip it open so we can see what it is. And they're hot. When she gave us the bag was like steaming hot. It has like a really, I don't even know how to describe it. It's a very pastry looking crusty outside. Mmm. These are good. And there's like the perfect curry flavor. Oh, because it's hot, it has like a mild spice, super crispy pastry outside, and then like a really, really good inside curry flavor. It's like, it must be vegetarian. It's got like potatoes or something. Oh, really good.